Welcome to another BoldDesk tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through how to customize and reorder columns in the BoldDesk ticket grid view, sort tickets to prioritize your work, and export ticket data from system views or custom filters. To get started, log into your BoldDesk agent portal and navigate to the Tickets module to open the ticket list page. Note that some advanced actions, like managing view settings or exporting tickets, require specific permissions, which admins can assign to specific roles. Now let's see how to customize the ticket layout on the ticket listing page. There are three types of views in which to see the list of tickets. The first is a card view, which is the default view. The second is a grid view, which lets you display exactly the information you need, up to 15 fields in total, including both system fields and custom fields. Then there is the detail view, which provides a centralized workspace showing all information, context, and actions for managing a single support ticket end-to-end. Using the Change Default option, you can set the default ticket view to Grid View. Or you can change the default ticket layout view for the entire organization by navigating to the Agent Portal settings in the Admin module and choosing your preferred view under the Tickets tab. Next, I'll show you how to customize and reorder columns in the Ticket Grid view. Click the Columns option at the top to open the drop-down. In the list of available fields, check the boxes for the ones you want to show, and uncheck any you don't need to hide them. You can reorder columns by selecting the Reorder option at the top right. Use the drag and drop handles next to each selected field. Simply grab and move them into your preferred sequence. This controls how columns appear from left to right in your grid, perfect for pulling important fields to the front for quicker visibility. Once you click Apply, your grid instantly updates with the new layout. If you make temporary changes and want to revert them, use the Reset option at the top of the grid to return to the default column setup defined in your default fields. Please note that Card View uses fixed, predefined columns and cannot be customized. Next, I'll show how to sort tickets. For a quick, temporary sort that applies only to your current session, click the Sort Tickets option at the top right of the ticket list. You can simply click on a column header. For example, if you want to identify the critical priority tickets, click the Priority column. This sorts the tickets in descending order, and you can switch to ascending order by clicking here. A small tick icon appears next to the column headers to indicate the current sort direction and mechanism. This change is user-specific and resets when you close or reopen the view. To set a permanent default sort for a view, which affects all agents using it, navigate to the desired ticket view on the left sidebar Views panel. Click More Options and select Edit Settings. In the dialog, find Ticket Sorting. Pick your preferred field and order, then click Update. For reporting, auditing, or offline analysis, you can export tickets. From any system view or custom filter, click the Export button at the top right corner of the ticket list. In the Export Tickets window, choose the ticket fields to include. System fields are selected by default, but you can add custom fields if needed or choose Select All. Once done, click Next. Select your file format, Excel or CSV, and type your preferred email subject. Configure any CC fields for notifications and set the time zone for accurate timestamps. Once you confirm your choices, click Export. For large datasets, apply filters first to limit the scope. Check out the video linked in the card and the description to learn more about ticket views. Once complete, you'll receive an email with a download link, which is valid for 2 days. The exported file includes ticket details but not conversations. Finally, to optimize your workspace while handling tickets, you can expand or collapse sidebars based on your viewing mode. In the grid and card views, you can unpin the left sidebar to maximize screen space. In Detail View, both the left and right sidebars can be expanded or collapsed, offering a more focused ticket experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.